Hey guys, Carlos here. I'm a co-founder and CEO of CM Solar Electric. For years in the industry, we've been trying to figure out the puzzle, how to approach customers, how to not have a sales tactic interaction with customers, which in my experience in this industry has caused a lot of skepticism in customers nowadays. So if you're tired of all that trickery, scams, phone calls, and pressure, hard, aggressive sales pressure tactics. And if your bill is more than $100 a month, stick around. You might want to hear what I got to say about the solar industry. If you're tired of the common practices, if you're tired of the scams, and if your bill is $100 or more, you're probably a good candidate and you will benefit from what I got to say in the next few minutes. Okay. Chances are that your bill is going to keep increasing in the next years to come. As every year the electric companies are increasing our bills and our cost of electricity by 15 to 30%. And it will continue to increase because you're paying for the service. You're renting your power. You don't own it. Okay. These are some of the scams. These are some of the problems that we have with this industry. Free solar, government-sponsored programs, 1.99%, low payments, you pay nothing, you get free solar for 12 months. Well, guys, I'm here to tell you, nothing's free in this life. You're never going to get a free solar system, no matter how much they tell you. These are tactics, and this is exactly what I will be addressing in these videos. What to look for and what these mean, what these tactics mean. All these tactics have a purpose behind it, and I will try to show you, hope I can make you understand what these tactics mean so you can better understand and you can actually take on a solar project and be happy about it. You don't have to be pressured because you already know what's coming to all these, tactics and questions and things that make you do to get your attention. Okay. Believe me, I do understand how you feel. I do understand how you feel. For years, personally in this industry, I've been trying to find a way to get past all this. I've been trying to find a way to eliminate this situation and be able to talk to customers, be able to acquire customers without having to go through these tactics. And you might think, like it says, you might think we're swimming against the tide. It's a hard proposition. It's a lot of skepticism. You probably don't trust, and that's why I'm here. That's why I'm showing my face here, talking to you about these topics. Stick with me for the next 15 minutes. Okay? You're probably skeptical. You're probably skeptical of this whole situation, zero down again, solar for free, state sanctioned program. None of this is true, guys. None of this is true. I want to show you the real deal. And, I really want you to see my face and understand what to go after when you're going with a solar system, and what things you need to know to be able to make a smart decision, If you feel like you're paying too much for your electricity, if you notice the slight increments, okay, want to learn about solar, want to know what you can do to protect yourself from scams and actually get a solar system that will actually benefit you. You're not going to get bombarded. You know what? Stick around. I'm going to answer 5 facts you have to know about solar. Okay, let's get started, guys. Okay. The first important question that you need to ask yourself, okay, is how high should my bill be in order for me to qualify for a solar system? Well, this is a very simple question, okay? If your bill is more than $100, you qualify for solar, and it's a good investment for you. Anything below that, you probably you're going to pay more for your solar system than what you're going to pay for your actual electricity. It's going to cost you more. Your return on investment is going to be higher, and everything's going to be worse. If you build $50 or less, 12 or 5 years, your return on investment is very low. Very, very low. So that means it's going to take you a lot more to get your money back. Than if you have $100 or more in a bill, which is 4 to 5 years for your return on investment. It will pay off. So system will pay off for itself. You just have to watch. Don't get tricked into getting low payments and all these other tactics that are out there. You will pay less for your solar system than what your electric bill is. If your bill is $100 or more, that is guaranteed. Okay. Now let's talk about electricity prices and increases. Okay. The electric companies, are raising their prices every year. I'm sorry. Let's say your current bill pays $130. Do the math. In the next few years, in the next 2 or 3 years, your bill's gonna go, 28, 30%. That's about $140 a month. And it's gonna keep increasing as the years go by. You will never get rid of that. Okay. The thing is this: if you pay $130 in 1 year, you'll pay $145 for the same energy. Look at the charts. In 2013, the cost of electricity, where it was. Okay, it's a good state to keep in mind. Electricity prices in California have rose five times than what the rest of the United States, and they keep going up. Back in 2013, the price of kilowatt hour was 16 cents a watt. Now we're up to 29 cents a watt. And it's going up. And not to mention the peak hours. If you're on the peak hours, you're going to be under 50 cents a watt. So things are getting crazy, and things are going really up in price.